Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. If you're diving into the world of blockchain in 2025, you've probably heard about Matchain and Bitget Wallet. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to connect Matchain to your Bitget Wallet account. This step-by-step guide will make things super simple, so you can manage your assets more efficiently and securely. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, let's get you linked up in no time. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have both a Matchain account and a Bitget Wallet account set up. If not, head over to their websites or apps and create them. It's quick and free. Once that's done, open your Bitget Wallet app or website and log in securely. Step 1. Navigate to the Wallets or Settings section in your Bitget account. Look for an option like Integrations or Connect External Wallets. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. In the Integrations menu, search for Matchain from the list of available options. Once you find it, select it to start the connection process. Step 3. You'll be prompted to authorize the link. This might involve entering your Matchain login details or scanning a QR code, so have that ready. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the connection. Bitget will verify everything, and you should see a success message shortly after. Step 5. To double-check, go back to your Matchain account and look for the Bitget integration, or test by transferring a small amount of crypto between them. If you hit any snags, like connection errors, try refreshing the app or checking your internet connection. Both platforms have helpful support pages too. And there you have it. Your Matchain and Bitget Wallet are now connected. This setup will save you time and make your crypto journey smoother. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.